Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become rich in FC Mobile 25. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to earn coin and become a billionaire in FC Mobile. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel because your subscription motivates me a lot. Alright, first of all, check your balance. So here you can see that I have already 300 million coins. So if you have at least 5 million coins, that's fantastic. But don't worry if you have less than that. So we are going to invest in the lowest of your players rated 86 to 87. They are very cheap and we can buy them instantly. So go to the market and after then click on search. You have to type here minimum and maximum over in the two empty boxes. I'm putting 86 as the minimum and 87 as maximum. Then select a program. Click on this pencil icon and I recommend you to choose icons. Because players in this program are cheaper and we can buy as many as we want instantly. So normally click on this save button and click on this search button and you will see all the players that match our criteria. Next, we need to check their prices. So we are going to buy players that cost no more than 450,000 coins, as we will exchange them later in bulk for 450,000 coins. For example, if we buy 10 players at 435,000 each, we'll earn a profit of 15,000 per player, making the total profit 150,000. That's pretty good for us, right? So normally click on purchase and here you will see other players are also bidding here. So to maximize our profit, if someone bids less than 450,000 coins, we should bid at least 1,000 higher than them. So we have to always focus on the exchange rate. As I mentioned, we'll exchange them for 450,000 coins. So aim to buy them for as little as possible. Even a 1,000 difference can lead to an additional 10,000 profit for 10 players. So that's a huge difference, right? So now I'm going to buy 5 players because others are also bidding here. So if I refresh this again and click on this purchase button, you can see that other players are buying this card for 433,000 coins. So I'm gonna type here 434,000 and I'm gonna buy 5 of them. And I'm purchasing only 5 cards because other players are also bidding over me. So here you can see that I already got 3 of them. And in a few seconds, I got 5 of them. I mean all of them. Similarly, I'm gonna check for other card. Clicking on purchase and other players are bidding for 440,000 coins. So I can make profit of 10,000 for each card here. So I'm skipping this. Then I'm gonna check for the next one. I'm choosing this, clicking on purchase. And here you can see that other players are bidding for 437,000 coins. So I'm gonna bid here 438,000 coins for 5 players. And here I am making a profit of 12,000 for each player. So here you can see that we instantly got these 10 players. So we are gonna claim all players and now we are gonna exchange them. So click on this exchange button, click on this coin and swipe left and select this option 86 plus over player 10x for 4.5 million of coins. Click on that and click on quick add. It's gonna add 10 of them instantly. So click on this exchange button and click on unlock. And that's it. So we got 4.5 million of coins. That means we already made 1 lakh to 1,50,000 of coins. Similarly, we are gonna earn more coins with the same method. So we are gonna clicking on the market again, clicking on search, clicking on search. So I'm choosing this card, clicking on purchase. And here you can see that other players are bidding for 4,35,000 for this card. I'm bidding here 4,36,000 and choosing 5 of them. Clicking on confirm. Then next, other players are bidding for 4,37,000. So I'm gonna write here 4,38,000. Then this. So I'm gonna choose 5 of here because it already 4,36,000, which is greater than other players' bidding price. Similarly, this one. So this is 30. So I'm choosing here 5 instantly. Then Crespo, 36. I'm choosing 5 of them. And that's it. If you do this, you will get instantly most of the players. So normally come here, claim all players. Click on confirm, claim players, confirm. And here you can see that 5 of them are remaining. So normally you have to claim all players if you get them, or you can repurchase them. I'm gonna exchange them again. So here you can see that we already invested about 1 million of coins. So we're gonna exchange them, clicking on coins, swiping left. Again 86 plus over for 10x players. Clicking on quick add, clicking on exchange. Continue. Exchange. 45. Exchange. And so on. There are 3 players left here. So we are not gonna exchange them because we have to buy more players. Or if you have only 3 left, then you can exchange them from individually here. And it will exchange 1 player for 4,50,000 coins. On the other hand, we had exchanged 10x players in a single time. So that was so fast, and we had earned about 1,50,000 coins per exchange. That's pretty good and pretty fast, right? So we are gonna go to home page, and here you can see that we have made a lot of profit from exchanging. So that's it. If you follow this simple technique, you can make as much coin as you want. So if you have enough time, you can make much money in FC Mobile 25. That's pretty simple. If you follow this simple step, you can make even 4 to 5 billion coins in a week or 10 days. That's pretty simple. So thanks for watching. I think this video will help you a lot. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel because your one subscription motivates me a lot. And please help me to achieve a goal of 1,000 subscribers. Please support me, guys. Your support motivates me a lot. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.